how to create a Klarna account. Ready to get flexible payments? This guide shows you how you can create a Klarna account so you can start shopping with flexible options. First, you need to download the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on Create Account. You'll need to enter your personal information like your email address, phone number, and date of birth. Klarna will use this information to create your account and verify your identity. Make sure all the information is accurate. Klarna will send a verification code to your phone number or email address. You'll need to enter this code to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you can start shopping with Klarna. You can also add your payment information to your account. You now know how to create a Klarna account. Get ready to start shopping with flexible payment. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.